If your brain feels like a puzzle during pregnancy, you're not alone. Let's dive into the science. Welcome to Just Biotech. Pregnancy triggers massive changes in a woman's body. Think hormones, heart, lungs, and more. But did you know it also reshapes the brain? A groundbreaking study has mapped out these brain changes from before conception through pregnancy and 2 years after birth. Here's the scoop. Researchers found a decrease in grey matter volume, the brain's outer layer, and an increase in white matter integrity, deeper inside the brain. What's grey matter, you ask? It's the cell bodies of nerve cells. And white matter, it's the long fibers that connect brain regions. This study, led by Elizabeth Krastel, a cognitive neuroscientist at UC Irvine, documented a 4% reduction in grey matter in 80% of brain regions and a 10% boost in white matter integrity. These changes peak in late pregnancy and partially bounce back postpartum. And guess what? The Maternal Brain Project has found similar patterns in other pregnant women too. Stay tuned to Just Biotech for more mind-blowing science updates.